is, don't let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. It implies that it is important to understand you cannot make feel others what is right or wrong, but don't make those certain things bother you. Your inner peace should be all yours.
Hello everyone, myself Rhythm from 11th Commerce. Today I am here to tell you about my role model, which is Ratan Tata. His full name is Ratan Naval Tata, which is an Indian businessman, industrialist and a former chairman of Tata Sons. He was also the chairman of Tata Group from 1990 to 2012, and again as interim chairman he continues to head its charitable trust. He is the recipient of the two of the highest civilian awards, that is Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and Padma Bhushan in 2000. He is also an alumnus of the Cornell University College of Architecture and Harvard Business School through the advanced management system that he completed in 1975. He joined his company in 1961, where he used to work on the shop on the floor of a Tata Steel. And now Tata is a large Indian centrist group into the global business. Thank you so much, everyone.
Live your life, love it, it's your day. A very good morning to each and everyone, my dear friends and my dear teachers. So today I'm here to talk about a very special day, World Photography Day. I really believe there are things that nobody can see if I didn't photograph them. With this beautiful thought, I want to start my words. World Photography Day is an annual worldwide celebration of art, craft, science and history of photography of August. A photography has the ability to capture a place, an experience, an idea, a moment of time. For this reason, it's said that a picture is worth than 1,000 words. So join the World Photography Day celebration. Go out, capture a moment as I did. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.
You call me on the telephone, you feel so far away. You tell me to come over, there's some games you wanna play. I'm walking to your house, nobody's home, just me and you and me alone.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।